My name is Ambet Yuson. I'm the General Secretary of the Building and Woodworkers International. BWI is a global trade union representing the woodworkers, the construction workers, building materials, and forestry workers in 130 countries. I am thrilled by the launch of Equidim's crucial report, Broken Promises, Forced Labor in Saudi Arabia, and the Fast Track World Cup bid. This report shines a spot on the harsh reality faced by the migrant workers in Saudi Arabia's hospitality, maintenance, and construction sectors. This report reveals severe labor and human rights violation, including workplace violence and forced labor. Equidim's report is timely, especially as Saudi bids to host the 2034 World Cup. Despite FIFA's requirement that all bidding countries must uphold to international human standard, Saudi Arabia's systematic labor abuse remain a stark contradiction to this commitment. Earlier this month, June 5, 2024, BWI filed a complaint with the International Labor Organization ILO on forced labor against Saudi Arabia, highlighting severe human rights abuses, particularly in the construction sector. Wage theft affecting an estimated 21,000 construction workers. They have been waiting for 8 years now, waiting for their wages to be paid. We have interviewed, we have received testimonies of construction workers who have suffered abuses for more than a decade. Their passports are confiscated. 85% of the workers we interviewed were victims of that bondage. Many have, have been uh, manipulated and have been taken advantage by illegal recruitment agencies. In Saudi Arabia, there is no free trade unions. There is no trade unions who can fight for the rights of migrant workers. The BWI complaint to ILO demands urgent action from FIFA and the international community. Before even considering Saudi Arabia's bid for the World Cup, FIFA must ensure that the country align its labor laws, its implementation mechanism with the international standard. If Saudi Arabia, a single bidder, secure the World Cup bid, FIFA should ensure strict human rights compliance and must ensure that it is included in the binding agreement with the host country. To Mustafa and all the Equidem's team, your ongoing work on human rights is critical, and I welcome the opportunity to unite our efforts to champion the rights of workers and hold those in power accountable. Together, we can strive for a better future where promises are kept and human dignities is upheld. Thank you.